Hi, it's Natalie. Welcome to your relaxing flow class from Positano, Italy. Let's begin. Find a nice tall seat and bring your arms out to the side. With your next inhale, swoop them up and then gently place them down with your exhale. Inhale through the nose if you can with the arms up. Exhale, down they go. Inhale, swooping up, beautiful breaths. Exhale, releasing down. Inhale, reach up. From here, we're going to twist over to the right side. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale, nice gentle spinal twist. One deep breath and then twist further. Good. Then on your next inhale, swoop the arms up to the sky, elongate that spine, and then twist over to your left side. Staying here, relaxing your shoulders, take a deep breath in, and on your exhale, see if you can twist just a little bit more. Nice. Then with your next inhale, reach your arms all the way to the sky, cactusing the arms, bringing the elbows down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, cactus down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus down. Then relax the hands and roll the shoulders all the way back and down. Nice big rolls. Good. Then relax and go the other way. Beautiful. One more. Big circle forward. Now relax the shoulders, and then from here, drop the chin to your chest. Roll each ear to each shoulder. You can pause in any place that feels extra good for that neck. Connecting with your breath here more. Then we're going to look over to the left, then over to the right. Then bring those hands to center, rub them together. Then place the fingertips and imagine you have a big ball and you're expanding it with a deep inhale, and as you exhale, make it smaller. Beautiful. Inhale, expand, radiate, and grow. Exhale, become more center and calm. Inhale, become big, unapologetic, take up space. Exhale, come back to your center and find your grounding. Inhale, open up, think big, and drop the left hand down. Right arm comes up and over. Look up towards that elbow. Good. Reach over just a little bit more. Then come to center and switch sides over. Beautiful. Feel free to look up at that elbow, then come back up. Swoop the arms up to the sky, deep breath, hands come behind your head, pull back your elbows. Try to relax your jaw. Then place your hands together, interlace the fingers, and roll your wrist around. Then from here, we're going to come onto all fours into tabletops. Your knees under your hips, your elbows, wrists, and shoulders all align. And find your cats and cows. As you inhale to your cow, and you exhale with your cat. Inhale, cow. Good. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Then we're going to sink our hips over your calves, drop your forehead, and completely release to the ground. Taking calming breaths. Then from here, we're going to walk our hands over to the right for a nice side stretch. Then in your own time, we're walking our hands over to the other side, breathing into any tight areas. Good. Then we're going to walk our hands directly in front of you. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up to your downward facing dog. Try to release one heel down at a time as you walk your dog. Continuing to notice your breath, Then drop both heels down, allowing your head to dangle and drawing your eyes in between your heels. Next, we're going to wiggle back our feet if you need to and find your plank. Dropping the knees gently, elbows in as we chaturanga down towards the ground. Untuck your toes and place your elbows directly under your shoulders into Sphinx pose. Breathe into your chest. One more time. Then walk the hands back, elbows in, push up and back into a child's pose. Allow yourself just to sink in here. With your next exhale, see if you can completely surrender to this moment as you give thanks to your body and mind here. Then whenever you're ready, we're going to come back into a downward facing dog. Really drop those heels down, releasing them. Then walk your feet forward towards your hands into your forward fold. You can bend your knees if you'd like to, or place your hands on your shins. Whatever feels right for you. Then we're gently going to roll on up into a standing position, swooping the arms up and back. And then hands come to prayer as you sink into your chair pose. Weight is in the heels here. Place your weight to the right leg as you pick up your left leg and step it back into a right lunge. Arms swoop up parallel, or you can keep them on your heart. Wherever you are, come back to your breath, anchoring your mind in it. Noticing where you feel the stretch and the strength. Then we're going to warrior prep that back foot into warrior two, holding it here. Deep inhale, steady exhale. Good. Notice how empowering this pose is. Relax those shoulders. Beautiful. One more deep inhale and exhale. Then we're going to square our back heel and foot to the front, back to a right lunge. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Very good. Weight is in the heels, bottom is back, and chest is up. Then we're going to shift our weight to our left foot, kicking our right leg back. So you're in your left lunge. One deep inhale and exhale here. Then whenever you're ready, we're going to warrior prep that back right foot. So from here, dropping that foot down. Good. And then straighten the left arm and right arm. Make sure the left knee is pulled out. Relax the shoulders. Try to find your center, not leaning forward or backward. Just holding this powerful pose. And start to embody the word power. Good. Hands come to your heart. Pivot that back foot. Lean forward and step forward into chair. Whenever you're ready. Holding this chair pose. One deep breath here. Then stand tall, shake out those legs. We're going to go into balancing. I'm just moving so you can see me better. From here, keep that right leg down and the left leg comes out. Find wherever it suits you for your tree. Could be down low or it could be high. And if you'd like to, your arms can be up towards the sky, being any tree you'd like to be. Still keeping in tune to your breath. Good. Can you relax anything in your body that's not holding this pose? We're gently going to switch now. From here, left leg is down, right leg comes like a kickstand or all the way up. Then arms come up tall and wide. Make space for yourself, allowing yourself to grow and be unapologetically you. Bringing those hands back down if they're up. Gently placing both feet down. Swoop the arms up, the deepest breath you've taken in this whole class. And then exhale down. Inhale, a little bit longer and bigger and more full. Exhale, release. Once more, deep breath. Awesome. Exhale, relax. From here, we're going to come down on your mat. So take a seat onto your bottom, and we're going to transition into boat pose. So you can bring one foot up, or put your arms back, or both feet up, and place your hands underneath your legs, or you can keep them off. This is your practice. If you even want to straighten them long, you can as well. Make sure that you don't feel any lower back tension. If you do, just drop your feet. Now we're going to drop our feet and find your butterfly. Feel free to hinge from your hips and go forward from the base of your spine to your head dropping down, or you can stay up tall. Remember to always honor your body. Listen to it. It speaks to you. Very good. Now come on up. Bring your legs together and kick them out. Lifting up, and remember to hinge from your hips and then go down, rounding from the base of your spine to your head. Or you can stay up. Curl those toes towards your nose and exhale down a little further for those hamstrings. Good. Let's lay down now. Placing your knees on top of your heels and coming into bridge pose by placing your hips up towards the sky. Your weight is in your heels. Your upper portion of the back is pressed into the mat. Your neck is nice and neutral, so your chin is slightly lifted. And then we're gently going to lower down. From here, pick up that right leg and figure four it on top of your left. If you want more of an intense stretch, you can press down or you can pull through. Holding this, making sure the right foot is flexed and pulling in. This is a great time to start slowing down your breaths, making your exhales longer than your inhales. Feel free to close your eyes, or you can imagine you have my view looking up at the lemon trees that smell so fresh. Then we're going to gently lower the left leg down and switch legs. Placing the left on top of the right, either pressing down, keeping it where it is, or pulling through. With that left foot flexed. And you might notice one side is more tight than the other, and that's normal and okay. Take a deep inhale here and exhale here. See if you can release just a little bit more. Then, whenever you feel like you can let go, allow yourself to release. Unravel those legs and bring those knees into your chest, rocking side to side. Dropping both knees over to the left and the right arm out to the right now. Take a deep breath, and with your exhale, see if you can surrender to this moment just a little bit more. See if you can relax your jaw or anything you're holding on to, physically or mentally. Then squeezing your core, taking a deep inhale, bringing the knees up and dropping them over to the other side. Left arm is out to the side, legs are over to the right, and you're breathing in maybe a fresh scent of lemon into your body. And you're exhaling here. And with visualization, imagine you're on this cliffside. You can see the water below you or hear it. You can hear the birds chirping in the trees. You're taking all of the goodness of life in. Then in your own time, moving into Shavasana, allow yourself to just be. Tell your body thank you for everything it just did. And tell your mind that you are enough just lying here down on the ground, not needing to be or prove or do anything. Just the fact that you exist makes you whole and worthy. For the next few moments, allow gravity to take over and relaxation to kick in. Gently bring in one knee at a time, then rock side to side. Maybe curling over on the right side into a ball and becoming still again. And whenever you're ready to come up, push up to a tall seat just like you started in. Notice how you feel right now and place your hands on your heart, breathing into your self-worth, your purpose, your being, just you. Breathe into yourself. The light within me honors and acknowledges the being within you. Namaste. Farewell for now.